Today, we'll learn how to speak confidently on a first date in English, what to say, what not to say, and how to sound natural and polite even if you feel nervous or shy.
Imagine this situation. You are meeting someone for the first time at a cafe, you want to make a good impression, but you are thinking, what should I say? And what if I say something wrong? Don't worry. Today we will show you a simple and real conversation you can use.
Hi, Emma. It's really nice to meet you. I'm glad we could finally meet in person. I hope your day is going well. I was a little nervous before coming here, but now I feel more relaxed, and I'm happy we have this chance to talk and get to know each other better.
Hi, Alex. Nice to meet you too. I'm really happy to be here as well. My day was quite busy, but this meeting made it better. You don't need to feel nervous. We can just have a simple and friendly conversation. So tell me, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy watching movies and sometimes reading books. I also like going for walks because it helps me relax, and I try to spend time with friends when I can. What about you? What kind of activities do you enjoy in your daily life?
That sounds nice. I also enjoy simple activities like listening to music and trying new food. I sometimes go out with friends or just stay home and watch something interesting. I think it's important to have time to relax after a busy day. By the way, what kind of movies do you like?
I mostly like action and comedy movies because they are entertaining and fun to watch. But sometimes I also watch romantic movies. It depends on my mood. I think movies are a great way to relax and enjoy your time. Do you have a favorite movie or genre?
I like romantic and drama movies more because they have strong stories and emotions, but I also enjoy comedy when I want something light and fun. I think it's interesting how people have different tastes, and it makes conversations more exciting and meaningful.
Yes, that's true. And I think it's nice to learn about each other's interests. By the way, I want to say something honestly. I'm enjoying this conversation, and I feel comfortable talking with you. It's a good feeling when you can just be yourself.
I feel the same. It's nice when a conversation feels natural and easy, and I appreciate that you are being honest and respectful. I think that is very important, especially when you are meeting someone for the first time. Now let's talk about what you should say and what you should not say on a first date. You can say simple things like, "It's nice to meet you," or "I'm happy to be here." These are polite and friendly. A better way to ask questions is, "What do you enjoy doing?" instead of asking very personal questions too early.
Also, you can say, "I enjoy spending time with friends," or "I like watching movies," because these are safe and easy topics. But avoid saying things like, "Why are you still single?" or "How much money do you make?" because these questions can make the other person uncomfortable and create a bad impression.
You can also say, "I feel comfortable talking with you," or "I like this conversation," which sounds natural and positive, instead of saying something too strong like, "I love you" on a first meeting. Always keep your words simple, respectful, and friendly.
Now let's practice some simple sentences together. Repeat after me slowly and clearly so you can build confidence and use these in real-life conversations. Nice to meet you. I am happy to be here. How was your day? What do you like to do? Enjoy watching movies. I like spending time with friends. That sounds interesting. I feel comfortable talking with you. It was nice meeting you. Let's meet again.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to have a great first date. Just be simple, polite, and confident. Focus on listening and enjoying the conversation, and you will naturally create a good impression.